Hey guys, welcome back to Cybrosys. Have you guys ever wondered how these businesses are managing their sales, their inventory, their accounting, and all such things? Do they use separate software for this? Well, businesses basically use the ERP softwares. So, what exactly is this ERP? I know a lot of confusions have aroused in your mind as I've said this introduction. Don't worry, we are going to learn completely everything about ERP in this video. So come, let's begin. So, what exactly is ERP? ERP simply stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. Now, you know the ERP, you know the full form. So, what is this ERP? I know a lot of people right now might be asking this question in your head or at the screen at me. Okay, I'll sort it out for you. So, ERP means bringing out all the departments or all the operations together under a single centralized platform. I know you guys might be still confused. The thing is, all the departments doesn't have to work separately. You can simply work under a single system if you are coming under ERP or if you are using an ERP. A simple example which I can put out to you is Odoo. Okay, y'all know I'm obsessed with Odoo. So Odoo is an ERP software and Odoo is actually kind of an all-in-one platform where in a single platform you get multiple softwares multiple modules or apps, you can call it like that, which can actually help you to manage different departments or sections of your organization. So now let's talk about it with a real life example. Imagine a customer gives you an order for a product called dining table. You all know what a dining table is. I don't have to explain that, I guess. So what happens next? The sales team will confirm the order. So first comes the sales team or the sales module. Then what happens? Your warehouse team will check whether the product is available or not. There comes the second team, which is the warehouse or the inventory team. And finally, if the product is not available, you will have to create a purchase order for that particular product. So there involves the purchase module. And once everything is done, you have to create an invoice for this. Okay, so the accounting involves there. So you have to create an invoice, and after everything is sorted, you have to deliver the product. So a lot of steps are coming in between. Imagine your organization. Okay, if it's your organization, you are managing everything, like each of these departments using different softwares. So just imagine the mess it's going to create. I mean, everything is going to get, shuffled and all such things. So what you have to do, you will have to type the data manually every time when a sales happen. The invoice or the accounting module will be in no relation with the sales. Now, it will have no clue about what is happening in the sales module. So, you will have to, add on and update everything which is happening in the sales or any related data and all. If you want to create an invoice, obviously, you need something related to the sales over there. So, likewise, you'll have to manually add on everything. Like, you are trying to connect the modules which actually doesn't have any connection with each other. But at the same time, imagine you have an ERP. Every modules are talking to each other, so you don't have to force a communication between them. Once you create or once you do an operation inside the sales module, automatically all the related data gets updated. So you can directly go in and create an invoice there, or once a sale order is confirmed and the delivery has been, validated, the what do you say for the thing? The invoice, the invoice is created automatically over there. Like, it is going to save a lot of your time and your work. You don't have to do all these things manually. So that is the main, difference between an ERP and using multiple softwares. Now comes the next question. What exactly can ERP manage? So ERP can actually manage a lot of things. I'll tell it like different points. So you have the sales, the purchase, the inventory, the CRM, the accounting. Let's keep it aside. These are the core modules. Okay, almost every small startups or any kind of businesses will be in need of these modules. And then you have the HR modules, you have the project modules, you have the manufacturing modules, you have the small modules, including modules for managing your canteen, your vehicles and all such things. So you can manage the manufacturing, the what else? The accounting, the HR modules, in the sense you can manage the recruitment, the employees, the payroll and all such things. So everything which is required to run a business can be managed using an ERP. So now you know what an ERP is. You have heard an example. You've seen what all things are included or covered by an ERP. So why exactly does businesses go for an ERP, or why am I saying that you should choose an ERP? See, it actually helps you to smoothen down a lot of operations of your business. That's the very first thing. And it's going to save a lot of your time. Now, time is something which we don't have at all. Like, we don't have time for anything right now. So, it's important that if you get an opportunity to save some time, then obviously you will go for it, right? So, rather than sitting and, typing everything manually every time something happens, I don't want to do that. I hope you guys also don't want to do that. So go for it. Try it. Obviously, businesses are going to love these ERPs a lot. I'm not talking about any specific ERP right now. Obviously, I'll talk. But any ERP which you feel like is suitable for your organization can be chosen. And it actually helps you to save a lot of your time. It is integrated so that what happens is, it is integrated, I don't know in every other ERP's case, but in Odoo's case, obviously it's integrated. So all these modules are coming under a single platform. So it has a communication between, right? So you don't have to, juggle between softwares. Using an ERP is going to save a lot of your time. And finally comes my favorite part. So why do you think that Odoo is going to fit in such a situation? I think Odoo is actually one among the growing or popular ERPs in market right now. A lot of huge industries, not only huge, industries or businesses of any kind of type and size are now opting Odoo and using Odoo. So Odoo is actually an all-in-one platform. It's a business platform where you get all kind of ERP modules, like modules which are required to run any kind of business, not a specific business. Okay, so there is nothing like your business should belong to a huge size, only then you can use Odoo. There's nothing like that. Any type of business or any kind of business, if you are a small business, a medium business or a large business, whatever it is, you can choose Odoo. And Odoo is actually having an open source version of it. So it has an open source version called the Community Edition and a paid version as well, which is called as the Enterprise Edition. So this Community Edition, if you have an in-house developer, I think that will be a best option for you all. You can go with it. Otherwise, if you are someone who is sitting clueless about what an ERP is, what Odoo is, I know it's quite normal. Don't feel like don't feel lesser about you. It's completely normal. So that's the reason why we are here. We, in the sense, Cybrosys, okay? So if you want, or if you have any kinds of queries, if you want any assistance on Odoo, please do comment below. We'll be happy to help you. So here at Cybrosys, we provide customization, implementation, the training, the support, integration, migration, and all kind of services regarding Odoo. And one more thing, if you are a business owner who is currently using Odoo, or looking forward to use Odoo, I know there might be situations where you can't carry your system everywhere you go. Like, it's normal. If you are in a party and all on a sudden your client is messaging you, I need you to do an edit. What are you going to do? Run back from the party to your office or your home, wherever your system is? That's not possible, right? So in that cases, we have come up with another thing which is related to Odoo. It's simply called Mobo, which is simply a mobile suite for Odoo. So this basically is the mobile apps for all the corresponding modules in Odoo. So far, we have released 14 plus apps, which includes the core like the sales, CRM and all. So you can go on and download it from the App Store and Play Store. And please do let me know how this is. I've been talking a lot about Mobo, but I am not getting any kind of responses from you guys. So please do comment below and let me know which module you like the most, or if you want to add anything to it, please do comment below. We'll be happy to help you and I'll obviously be responding for those. So that's it, guys. And I think now you guys might have got a little bit idea about what an ERP is. If yes or if no, please do let me know in the comments. I'm eagerly waiting for your responses. So that's it. If you have any doubts also, please do let me know. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys in the next video.